won't bother us, it obviously gets loads of people riding past.
Yeah, it's fucking off over that way. With the rest of his herd. There's more over there. Yeah.
It's quite nice here, isn't it?
Yeah. The difference 30 miles makes. Alright, Daisy. Oh, maybe not Daisy.
Munching.
Moo. Have a cow. So Dylan, what is this place? Where are you taking me?
You know where it is, you know what it
I
is.
know, but explain to the lovely people on Instagram.
It's a jet engine testing facility where they stole the enemy's shit and looked at it.
The Nazis.
Not Nazis.
It was a Messerschmitt.
It was during the Gulf War that they did this. Not fucking World War II.
Well, they've been doing it since World War II. We keep stealing their shit and using it.
Not here.
Yeah, well. Could have been. The first jet was the Messerschmitt that we stole.
I get why it's trying to stop over there.
Just stop people coming on from the road.
But you can come in here anyway. That looks sick to look. This is connected to the street.
That's not. Drop, do not enter.
Yeah, that's it. This was
The rocket.
You know that big blue
Pulse
bit?
out there, yeah.
It's the exhaust, like the exhaust silencer. So they can hear it fucking
Yeah.
like 2 times away.
It's fucking cool.
I think you might have to climb through there.
Yeah. No, there's a staircase there. Goes up. Yeah, you don't want a strobe. Fucking hell.
I can see it.
I can see stuff.
What's that?
Probably the stairs were out.
They're pretty high up.
Yeah, no shit. Do you ever get the feeling that you're going in circles? What pipe?
It's
Dude, I'm at the top. I'm not stopping. Oh, there's asbestos. Be careful. drop. Yeah. So that'll be the. Fuck me. Oh, I'm well out of shape. That's inside the duct. That's been a rush. Yeah. Pig irons.
Oh, dude, you shine the light, I can't see it. Oh, shit. Share it, isn't it? To bring it.
I told you, if you want power, get batteries.
So you get this place back in business.
Yeah. Dustpan and brush as well. Get it running. Oh, it's like a emergency shut off. Yeah.
Pull the handle.
It won't do anything, it's all been disconnected. Mate, if that goes now, you're gonna shit yourself, aren't you?
Yes.
The alarm starts ringing. Go on then. Shaking like a shitting dog. Let's go fishing. There was probably a way up. We've got the crane controls. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, compressed air. That's a compressor on it. Where is that? I don't know. Can't remember.
What's down there?
That's the next room.
That's the chamber.
Is that?
Can you see the wall? The
Yeah.
walls, that's it. Do we have to climb over that?
Might do. Let's go have a look.
No, this is...
Stalactite, hold on tight. Stalagmite, might poke you in the arse. Yeah, careful. There's probably asbestos and shit blowing through. So this is where the rocket would be.
Yeah, this fucking goes down the way. This is a big old hatch.
But if I see something, I'm going to freak out.
Trying to touch that. It's fucking crazy, man. It's a massive, massive room, but there's no echo. It's fucking...
Hold on.
I think we should do it again.
Yeah,
Again.
so it's gone.
But this is the thing, this place was fucking humongous. There were loads of buildings like this.
Yeah.
Not like this one, but there was loads of factory buildings. 10 years ago, before they just got destroyed, it was a massive abandoned industrial fucking complex.
Yeah.
Oh, there's stuff in there. You can see sound in there.
Yeah, that's where we just came from. That was the big machine.
Bust
Don't
through that.
fucking bust through that, dickhead. Go on, honestly. Yeah, if you want to break through the asbestos and crawl through it, be my guest, but wait until I'm outside, you cunt. It is asbestos, look. Well, I just filmed one of the fucking spots, I'll show you in a bit. All the way up, there's stickers. Huh?
Film me saying I'm going to bust through it, did
Yeah. You're joking. I'm still filming, so they know you're joking.
you? Bitch friends might not.
My little bitch friends. Hold on.
I think we should do it again.
Yeah,
Again.
till it's gone.
But this is the thing, this place was fucking humongous. There were loads of buildings like this.
Yeah.
Not like this one, but there was loads of factory buildings. 10 years ago, before they just got destroyed, it was a massive abandoned industrial fucking complex.
Yeah.
Oh, there's stuff in there. You can see sound in
Yeah,
there.
that's where we just came from. That was the big machine.
Bust
Don't
through that.
fucking bust through that, dickhead. Go on, honestly. Yeah, if you want to break through the asbestos and crawl through it, be my guest, but wait until I'm outside, you cunt. It is asbestos, look. Well, I just filmed one of the fucking spots, I'll show you in a bit. All the way up, there's stickers. Huh?
Film me saying
We didn't go through it, did we? So we'll come out here and then
it's
go up.
outside.
Yeah,
It's just the
we'll
alleyway, yeah. So
let's have a look. Someone's kicked the door out, I think. They probably screwed it shut. Back down.
uncontrolled stall.
Boiler room.
Uncontrolled. Building incident officer. PNG.
That's fucking hell.
You should ring one of these phone numbers.
No. Someone will come over and be like, what the fuck you doing?
Site security.
Got wood?
Might be wood, man. Oh, dear. Danger. Have all tickets.
Sump.
Uh-huh.
The drainage sump. Source the water out of the fucking... Oh, my nuts.
That's a nice bit, that is.
That's... So fucking...
It's
Beautiful
incredibly
work.
safe, mate. Yeah, look at these. These are stuff.
Stupid bits of steel.
That's probably a battery.
Nah, it's not battery, it's a fucking steel plates or some shit. Middle insulated thermocouple. Thermocouple.
Oh, that's a nicer, more clean version. It's really nice.
That's interesting. Fucking bends there. Bit of
Well, this place has clearly been stripped by fucking travellers and pipe.
no fucking end, dude. Do you see how much cable is in there? If this had been stripped, they would have taken all that. That's worth like fucking loads, man. Noise test facilities. Fall under that. Bees. Yeah, the bees are on the butt there, dude. Although there is a helicopter flying over you, Mola. Hurry up them stairs. Go. That's... More plant. There's a dead one around somewhere.
How do you know?
Flies.
Get away from the door. Sounds serious, doesn't it? Whatever it is.
It's probably Army or Air Force or something. Nothing really to worry about.
Can you see it? Probably went out past, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a Chinook. They sent a Chinook after us, didn't they?
Oh, it's sick.
Yeah. I thought
What's your step? You should get this. Stick it on the stairs. With mum.
someone's gotta go at the door. Someone's gotta go at the door.
Of course they have.
Black mold on 2 times. Yeah, that's a bit shit. Oh. The door it is. Charming. Oh. They're trying to they're trying to summon the Judaic gods.
That's holy water.
No, it's probably not. It's probably like acetone or some shit. Smile. It's a bit shit in there, isn't it?
Do you not hear that?
I don't hear anything.
You didn't hear that? It's another fucking fire.
Fucking dickheads. Oh, that's the wind. Ah, shit.
That's a football trophy with nothing engraved on it.
Good shit. It's the door. Not banging. Oh, I can't do it. Stick the kettle on.
Corkscrew.
We got a
I don't recognise it.
coffee press. Oh yeah, got one of them at home. Bottle opener.
Oh,
No, don't do that.
I was just trying to close it.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh, Dylan, some chocolate topping. Once upon a time. Oh, Lee chocolat. Choco topping.
Herbal tea.
Yep, lemon. And oh, can't forget this bad boy. Mm-hmm. Everything will be locked off. Yeah. Fucking fine. Liana and Caitlin. Beat us here.
Oh, what?
Hang on. I'm guessing there's a weighing because people are fucking. Your mum a sket.
What's the code?
Blah, blah, blah. I don't know, maybe it's written somewhere.
It's not. No one's that fucking
What about
clever.
there?
Deep hit, there's no number.
3780. 8 0. Right, cancel and then
3780.
3880. No. 3780. No, it wouldn't be that. It's probably something fucking. Try 2012. be surprised how often that works. Well,
Let's find the good shit.
there's a shitter in there. Hang on. What if we go around the back of this building? It looks like there might be a way in.
Flies in.
Shout for adders. There's your way in. Oh. Fucking hell. Another asbestos song. Chinese fresh and fruity, Dylan? Yeah, careful. Right, we're back on that. Hikers. Page says. Oh, the fuck you pronounced that one. Jocelyn, Emily. Pete. Everyone's obsessed with cocks. Oh, damn it.
Sweet jacket.
Candy cane. That's a
Sweet
pair of trousers.
Fire pants, mate. Loads of them. Fire pants. Oh.
Yeah, like fuck that will still have any in it. There's been kids in it. Big old valve handle.
Hey?
Are you coming to the tray? Katniss has big boobs. Annabelle is Chinese. Liana is hot. Caitlin is a spanky bitch. Oh, skanky bitch.
Satan, cunt.
Cunt.
These are some cool drawings, isn't it? Fingerprints and shit.
Some cups.
Someone's camped overnight here, aren't they?
There you go, the obligatory
Tea.
monster.
Tea.
Green.
It's a purse. There's money in it.
When going in, go slow, used to. Don't fucking quack her inside.
Attack her into the...
Oh, attack. You should
Pick this thing up.
tease it. Velvet.
Fuck off.
Get out of my watch. Please. Trying to. It's like sexual aid or something. Well, lemon squeezer.
Launch themselves through this. Haven't they?
Probably.
Reckon we can get out from there?
Maybe, yeah, actually, we'll be able to open the door
Watch out
from
for the
there.
thumbtacks.
This
It's
one.
locked, it's locked, isn't it?
No, because it'll open from one side but not the other.
There's a bit of sound down there, and it's fucking quiet. Quiet as fuck.
Oh, my nuts. Steve Sanders from Derby was here in '73.
Can't hear anything.
Yeah, everything's sound damped.
Aye. There's no echo. Even the floors look like
Yeah.
This is it. Look. This is where the
So explain exactly what this is.
It's sound deadening.
For what?
Jet engine.
Jet engine. There you go.
More.
Experimentation on getting jet engines to fight
bought that,
the
you know?
enemy.
Someone bought like a bag.
There's a traffic cone down there as well. Yeah, we passed that door on the way. It's the one that's got the bit of blue, the
Yeah.
blue door and then a bit of wood across it.
Well, this isn't the whole thing, is it? This isn't a big chamber. What's the date?
2006,
Shit.
September 4th. Oh, it's near my birthday.
It's a microphone, a speaker. It's a speaker.
Yeah. This bit
coming in.
sort of echoes more. Or is it just when you're down low?
No, it's the whole thing. When you're in there, you won't be able to hear anything.
Let's go in. Let's go in. I can hear shit now.
This torch is awful, look.
I know.
Oh, it's a door. It's not a door.
It's good, it's just out of battery. Pad foot.
That's another way, isn't
Insulation. It's coal.
it? Huh?
Oh no, it's a rock wall. Fuck.
That's where we came. That's where we came, is it?
No.
We're lost.
No, we're not.
Oh, look. Look at all the stalactites in that one.
Hang on tight.
Look at the floor.
Hold on. No, I'm just looking in the walls.
In case there's someone in there. Look at the deposits like from underneath the stalactites.
Yeah. That's how you get stalagmite.
Oh, is it salt?
No, it's just lime and shit that collects and builds up into a stalagmite. Might poke
How
you
the
in the
fuck do we
arse.
get up?
Well, I don't know.
What are these? What are these? Can you stand them up?
Huh?
Yeah, stand these up.
Go on then. Something might help. Power outlets. Freaking. Oh, look. That's fucking weird.
Oh, that's well cool. Stop. I want to take a picture of that. Is it a moth?
No, it's a butterfly, man. Look. If it was a moth, it'd be attacking me.
That's cool. Sneeze. What's through here?
That's where we came from.
Stickers. Stickers.
Hold up. Thing.
That's definite. I'm just following you around because I can't fucking see anything. Oh, that door's open.
No, I don't know. Fucking shut us on the other side.
There's definitely another way in. Alright, it's probably up the stairs that we cut up, isn't it?
Yeah. That. Smoke grenade. Yeah.
Oh, stand here.
Yeah. Good point. Acoustic sweet spot. Down there on the right.
So where are we going? We're going back.
Yeah?
You fucking lead the way because I don't see shit. Aye! Oh, what's that?
Lights.
Yeah.
So you don't have to have a torch when you're walking through. Getting Morgans. Ooh, peanut butter
Come out
chunky.
there and fucking kill everyone. No one hear us scream.
This isn't space, Dylan.
No, it's an anechoic chamber. It basically is.
Oh, yeah.
Something up here.
Mould. Mouldy.
Pass the torch from there.
Just get out of the way.
10 seconds.
Just fucking walk.
Whoa! Look at that. That's the room we were at a minute ago.
Yeah, we took the picture from up there.
It's crazy. Look at it, look at it.
Loads of tea candles been burning in there.
I'll go stand up there, I'll be able to see the shadow.
Do you reckon people have had rays in there?
Look at that circle. Stop.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure. Look at the ceiling. Mental. Camera.
See all the shit in the air.
Mm. Yeah. Why are there tent pegs in?
Something else you can't.
Anti-season compound, mate.
Grease. Call it what it is. It's
To me,
grease.
It's fairly hard to breathe.
It is a bit because of all the shit in there. All the dust and shit we're kicking up. Hydraulic lift. Wonder if it'll work. Let's find out. Alright. Definitely don't. Watch your feet.
What's all this stuff? It's like a fucking film set.
Mm. The
It's well like
Two men enter, one man leaves. Thunderdome. So these are like the sound, the horn holders or whatever for sound tests. Rigging. Fucking don't easy work like that.
there's a room over here. Back through the other side of here, there's a room.
Would it be through there?
No. There's a door into this little bit here.
I'm gonna look through it anyway. I'm gonna look through it anyway. There's a way out.
Leave me with fuck all to see.
There's a way out.
What, is it an open bit?
Push far to open.
Yeah, it's probably fucking...
Hang on.
Push bar.
It's open.
Boot.
Nah,
Nail.
it's chained or something on the other side.
See if it finishes the
No, they've had a death match with that thing. You can tell they set up a fucking arena.
Oh.
That's what I was on about, the Thunderdome thing.
Can't see anything now.
Not from that torch, you can't.
Oh look, someone actually pulled it all down there. Oh, you know what they tried to do?
Climb up to there.
Yeah, I reckon they tried to climb it. Fucking
You pull enough of them out, you probably could, yeah.
Fallen's broken their ass.
Yeah,
Whoa,
that's the
welding
result. That's not a welding helmet, that's a hard hat.
helmet. Oh, is it?
Yeah. Must have fallen on his fucking head. There's a door there. Yeah. Oh, woo! He just dies straight away.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, it's got me, it's got me! Ah!
Sand. Bit juicy.
Clamp. And then big old titties. Loads more smoke grenades.
It's gold. It's gold, mate.
Probably not.
Bit of gold. Bit we could see in the video. From hell no, this door. There's two doors, right? This one was shut,
Alright.
and you couldn't get through it, so somebody's busted it.
Yeah, that was a good idea.
Pigeon shit. In
Stating the obvious. Definitely wash your hands. It's poison.
What's all this white powder?
I don't know. Just not be touching that. Massive stash of cocaine. Huh? Dirty bastard, and he shat on me.
Yeah, let's get out. Oh! For fuck's sake! Look at my t-shirt. Oh! You fucking fuck! Is it on my hat?
No, just a t-shirt, yeah.
You fucking dirty prick!
Let's go in here, see what's...
No, I'll wipe this off.
You do that.
For fucking sake.
Earth cable.
What?
Some earth cable. So grounding for the Americans. It's good luck, mate.
Oh, for fuck's sake. There's a tissue in that.
Probably, actually.
Yeah, look.
Nice little rag.
I'm showing you life. I've seen them.
Get all the action with us.
It's fucking disgusting. Fuck.
Server room. Don't even like to think about what the fuck that is.
What?
That piss cuddled liquid on the floor. Let's get out of here. Fucking pigeons. Nothing in it. It's not so, it's just a bit of wood, wooden cupboard.
What's through that door?
Just another exit. I'm guessing in a thing like this you'd want a lot of exits, so there's enough ways to get out. Oh, big boy.
What is it?
Bit of steel.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that'll be. All these climbing hook things.
DVD, RAM, 4 gig.
Ooh. We've been rumbled. There's a security guard over there. Oh, he's whistling Dixie, mate, so I don't think he can. Was he?
Yeah.
Oh, is he shouting? Too far away now, I don't care. We go home.